If you want to set a custom message sound on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can go to settings and choose sound and vibration. And in here, you should be able to find notification tone. And notification tones include message tones. So we can change the general notification tone or notification sound on this phone by choosing any of these sounds over here, of course. And if you want to set a custom one, then of course we can go to on this device, and then you will find the list of audio files that you have on your phone under the internal storage. So then you can choose your own sound over here, and then we will change sound for notifications, and this includes messages. However, if you want to change just message tone for a specific contact, so when you receive a new message from a specific contact, and then if you want to set an individual sound for that contact, then we need to open Google Messages, then select the contact or the conversation that we have with that contact, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose details. Then we're gonna go to notifications, and we have the ring option. And in here, once again, we need to choose on this device, and just like before, we can choose the custom sound that should be played. So now, as I selected this sound, it will be played when I receive a new message from this contact in this conversation. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.